What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be drifting this Formula Drift Corolla. So let's get into it. Oh my god. Oh, this thing is beef sounding. Alright, let's get drifting, boys. Warning, heads up, I'm terrible at drifting. What did I get? It said view perks. I'm terrible. Good, now I got nothing. Dang, this car's pretty good at handling. So I try to jump it where I try to do every video. If you guys remember from my other videos, I'm not going to tell you which video it's from, but remember whenever we broke the 3 mark with the car. I'm not going to say because that's the name of the video. The car that we broke it with. What does it say on top? I think it says like 43, yeah, 10 blocks. Oh, shoot. We're going all over the place. We're going all over the place. Going all over the place. I'm literally going nuts. I'm not even meaning to go. Playing on controller, that's probably why. That was the entrance right there. I guess it's not. This is not an entrance right there. Huh. I thought it was. Oh god. Oh gosh. I just ran into that wall and I lost all my progress. Should have stopped. I'm not trying to get progress, but I saw it up there and I was getting pretty high. Comment down in the comment section if you guys like Forza Horizon 5 and if I should play any other game while I'm streaming. Tell me that too, because I'll be down to play like almost any game you guys tell me to play. I got quite a bit of games on my computer, so I got one request from to play Goat Simulator, but that's just to play Goat Simulator. Comment down in the comment section if you guys agree we should play Goat Simulator one. If it's so old. Yeah, one episode. Just tell me if you guys want me to play Ghost Simulator in one episode. And also got a thing from you guys could check him out. His name's Finburb on YouTube. He also told me I should get like a Tundra or my or my Bronco and just ram everybody. What do you guys think about that idea? I think that's a pretty good idea, if you ask me. Well, I think every idea is good. But it's hard to come up with ideas. YouTubers make it sound easy to come up with ideas. It's hard to, my man. It's hard to come up with ideas. It's hard. I was asking like everybody on I was asking everybody that I know in context what would be a good video idea. And that's when Fifth had that brilliant idea. Just to run into random civilians. I said, yeah, that's a great idea. Okay, I'm gonna stop here and look at the chat real fast. I'm gonna look at the chat real fast. Wait 1 second. How's the chat doing?
%, classical music. Radio Eterna.
One of my friends just texted me, Austin, would you rather eat a baby goat or a matter baby? I don't even know what that is. That's weird. That's weird. Alrighty. So. Yep. So that's all I'm doing. Oh, it finally finished. Okay. Sorry, I was just checking the chat. Oh, he just texted me back. Let's see what he said. I just sent him my YouTube channel. I'm gonna see what he says. He's probably gonna say, I can't watch YouTube. Let's see what he says. Oh God, I can't get it right now. I'm too busy making a video right now. Oh. That's clean. My God, no wonder these people that have always have all these skill points. Because these cars, you can never get them under control. Like, I'm literally trying to get straight. There we go. Nope. No. Did you guys just see how close that was for hitting that car? Oh God. I shattered all my back glass. That sucks, man. I was trying to save that back glass too. Not really. Alright. My straightaway. Nope, not yet. Oh. Okay, let's. Oh God, I'm about to send myself on. Oh. I passed you, little boy. Oh no, he's passing me. No. I gotta pass him. Oh God, why did he brake check me? Why did he brake check me like that? Oh, that would've been so clean that car didn't show up. I'm terrible at driving. Bro, why did these things never move out of the way? You made me lose a part on my car, I think. Those bus drivers, I'm telling you, they're terrible. They should get their driver's license taken away from them. Bro, now I don't even know where I'm going. I was trying to get back to the festival. God. Ready, boys? Maybe I'm the one that should get my driver's license taken away. Oh no, I'm going the right way. Am I? Yeah, I'm going the right way now. I can't see absolutely nothing. Okay, there we go. Here you go, we're back on the road. I'm about to go off the road because I'm gonna go back to the festival. No, back on the road. Oh shoot, I had to take my hand off the wheel. I had to take my hand off for a second because I had to I don't know. I really don't know. I shouldn't say that. I don't know. Ooh. Oh my gosh! This car! Out of control. Let's see if I can drift around here. Oh, drift in here. That's pretty good. I'm gonna see if I can do it again. See if I can do it again. Okay, that was pretty good. Not gonna lie. Let me back in. Alrighty. Thanks for watching. See you guys next week.